ever wished you could read an animal's mind? How about this? Have you ever asked your parent if you could keep a wild animal as a pet? Pax is a wonderful novel by Sara Pennypacker that tells us about Peter, a boy, and his fox that he raised since it was a kid. The story begins with Peter and his father setting Pax free after it lived with them for 5 years. You see, Peter's father was enlisting in the army. It was wartime, and Peter had to go live with his grandfather, who was 300 miles away. Leaving Pax was so hard. They were connected by a bond so strong they belonged to each other. And so the story continues with Peter's quest for reunification with Pax and Pax's quest for reunification with Peter. But war comes with many costs. Along the way, Peter meets a woman named Pola who helps him prepare for his journey after he runs away from his grandfather's after being there only one day. Pola has shut the world out, running away from her own wartime memories that haunt her. But as it turns out, she's the only one who can help Peter face his past and prepare for his journey to find Pax. And Pax meets other foxes along the way, Gray, Bristle, and Runt, and he learns how to live in the wild. All the while, though, he's thinking about how to get back with Peter. The story is told from alternating points of view, a chapter for Peter and a chapter for Pax. In the end, by following Peter and Pax on their separate but one journey, we learn about life, family, loss, and war. It's up to you to find out what Sara Pennypacker meant when she wrote, "Sometimes the apple rolls very far from the tree."